Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sule Umoru, and I previously did a video, a Fulani lesson. Fulani, of course, for those who don't know, it is my native language. It's a language, okay? It's not what do you call that? It's not a dialect, or it's not a tribal language. It's a language, all right? Yeah, I did a little video on how to count in Fulani from 1 to 10, and it got a lot of good feedback on YouTube. And some people asked if I could do some more videos like that. So I know that there's a lot of people in America, a lot of people, descendant of Fulanis, yes. So I'm gonna do lesson 2 today. Talk about the pronouns, like how I say I, or how I say you, or how I say him, or so stuff like that. Simple stuff, you know, basic Fulani lessons, all right? So in Fulfulde, all right, as I explained, we call ourselves Fulbe. Fulfulde is the language. So in Fulfulde, to say I is very close to English. It's min, like M-I-N, min, okay? And if you're using it in a sentence, you say me, just like in English, M-E, me. So miyehi, meaning I went. Miyahan, I'm going, okay? Mitowara, I'm coming. So it's just the me, that's I, okay? Yes, it's pretty cool. I like that. You know, me and me is pretty much the same thing in West African Fulani and in English from the UK or the British or the United States of America. Anyways, min is I. Me is if I'm using it in a sentence. Okay, min is I. Me if I'm using it in a sentence. For you, we say an, A-N, an, or A-N-N, an. And if you're using it in a sentence, you say a, just a, a. All right, just a, ayahan, awari. You know, ayahan, are you going? Awari, you came. Okay, so it's you. And just like in English, you is the same for women and for men, male or female, masculine, feminine, same thing, is you. Okay, if you want to say him, you say hanko or kanko. So in Fulani, or at least in West African Fulani, the K and the H is usually interchangeable. Wherever you can use a K at the beginning of a word, you can also substitute with an H. So hanko or kanko is him, okay? But if you're using it as a sentence, it's not hanko, it's not kanko, it's O, just like O, letter O. Oyehi, Owari, Odilli. Odilli means he left, Odilli. If I want to say I left, I say midilli, or if I'm midillan, okay? So I know I'm giving you a lot of stuff here, but just bear with me. So min, an, hanko or kanko, and that's interchangeable for men or women, hanko or kanko. And then if I want to say we, I say min or minen. Okay, so min if I'm using it in a sentence, minen if I'm just talking about us. It's like we, minen or min. Okay, minen or min, that's we. All right. So minenjidi, we would like. Minen, are you talking about us? You say minen. So if I'm talking on behalf of the group, I want to say, are you talking about us? I say minen. Okay. And for you, plural, it's like I'm not included, is onon. But if you're using it in a sentence, you just say on. Okay. So onon or on jahan, or onon jaha. Okay, onon, that's plural, that's you, plural. And then them in Fulfulde, we say kampe or hampe. Okay, remember I said earlier, the K and the H at the beginning of the word is usually 99% interchangeable. You can say K instead of H. So hampe or kampe, that's them, plural. But if you're using it in a sentence, conjugating it, you say be.